Queen Ifrica, a voice of reggae revolution, lifestyle, career, and net worth. Queen Ifrica, born Ventrice Morgan on March 25, 1975, in Montego Bay, Jamaica, is one of the most prominent female voices in reggae music today, often referred to as Fyah Muma. She is known for her powerful lyrics, social consciousness, and activism. As the daughter of reggae legend Derrick Morgan, Queen Ifrica was destined to make a mark on the music scene, but she has done so on her terms, establishing herself as a strong, independent artist with a message. Early life and family. Growing up in Montego Bay, Queen Ifrica was surrounded by music from an early age, with her father, Derrick Morgan, being a significant influence. However, she did not start her musical career until she entered a local talent competition in 1995, which caught the attention of Tony Rebel, a reggae artist and producer. This pivotal moment led her to join Tony Rebel's Flames Productions, where she began to hone her craft and develop her unique style. Career. Queen Ifrica's career took off in the early 2000s when she released singles like Randy, Boxers and Stockings, and Below the Waist. These tracks showcased her talent for blending conscious lyrics with a modern reggae sound. Her 2007 hit Daddy became a defining song of her career, boldly addressing the sensitive topic of child abuse. The song's raw honesty and Queen Ifrica's emotive delivery resonated deeply with listeners, earning her acclaim for her bravery and authenticity. Her 2009 album, Montego Bay, further established her as a leading voice in reggae. The album, named after her hometown, featured songs such as Lioness on the Rise and Far Away, which combined messages of empowerment, love, and resistance. The album received critical praise for its lyrical depth and diversity, confirming Queen Ifrica as a vital force in contemporary reggae music. Activism and social advocacy. Queen Ifrica is known for using her platform to speak out on social issues. Her music often addresses topics such as women's rights, poverty, child abuse, and corruption. She is not afraid to tackle controversial subjects and has faced criticism for her outspoken views, particularly her stance on LGBTQ+ issues. Despite the backlash, she remains a steadfast advocate for what she believes in, using her voice to bring attention to injustices and encourage positive change. Beyond her music, Queen Ifrica is actively involved in community initiatives. She works closely with youth organizations in Jamaica, promoting education, self-respect, and empowerment. She is also a regular speaker at events focused on social justice and human rights. Lifestyle. Queen Ifrica maintains a lifestyle that reflects her Rastafarian beliefs. She is a vegetarian, advocates for natural living, and embraces a spiritual path centered around love, unity, and self-awareness. Her commitment to these values is evident in her music, which often blends spirituality with calls for social change. She is known for her vibrant personality and her passion for uplifting others, both on and off stage. Net worth and legacy. Queen Ifrica's net worth is estimated to be around $1 million, largely accumulated through her music career, live performances, and various endorsements. She continues to release new music with her latest album, Climb, 2017, featuring hits like Black Woman and Traversation with Damian Marley. Queen Ifrica's legacy as a reggae artist is characterized by her fearless approach to music and her dedication to social advocacy. As one of the leading voices of reggae's new generation, Queen Ifrica continues to inspire and challenge audiences worldwide, proving that reggae remains a powerful medium for social commentary and change.